Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about these two people. Anyways, let's start with Poor6767Bs. As I stated in the community post and my Discord server yesterday, they were taking screenshots of my aux and inserting them into CapCut templates, which I took as them stealing my aux. And before you guys comment, but didn't you ask for videos with your aux? I know I did, but they were using aux I didn't ask to be used. Such as this one, they had deleted all their videos with my aux. Well, at least, I thought at the time. Luckily, but beforehand they had a video with this specific one in it. And as you can see, I posted a community post with this exact aux several months ago. And they also posted a community post using many more of my aux. Here's proof they are all mine. Also, while editing this, I went through their account to see if there was anything else they had posted with my aux, and there are still a few more, including a short bit of my first ever video on this account they had stolen. Here are all the videos.
Pick up. Hi! I love you so much! Can I have $2,500?
No? Why on earth do you need $2,500?
Oh, you know, for an escape room?
You're joking, right? What kind of escape room costs $2,500?
Prison?
I'll be there in 10, idiot.
Keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat without you in your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one right now. I won't run anymore when it all burns down. More than power, more than gold. Yeah, you gave me your heart, now I'm here for your soul.
Now here's the video they stole. And here's the original clip to prove it's mine. They also posted this.
Bitch, you cannot hide. Bring them hands, come outside. Take off your disguise. Peek inside. Am I right? Don't be acting shy. I heard it's up. I wanna fly. I said, Jada, can you slide? This was her reply.
Bitch, I'm so for real. You in the presence of a queen, you supposed to kneel. Don't even need to post a reel, you should know it's real. You want the smoke for real? Don't make me leave you bitches tripping like you broke a heel.
So apparently we have beef now. Also, Charlie is in all of these, obviously. This is the original video of mine they are from. Anyways, on to the next person. Aka my copycat. They had 4 videos but deleted one of them, so now they only have 3 YouTube shorts. In 2 of them, they took screenshots from the same video the other person did, which are the same 2. Here they are, by the way.
What if it happened to you on a different day, on a bridge where there wasn't a rail in the way, or a neighborhood street where the little kids play, or the end the snow or the rain? What if you weren't alone? There were kids in the car. What if you were remote? No one knows where you are. If you changed anything, would you not have survived? You're alive, you're alive, you're alive.
Maybe I too could be ninja. I want to be ninja. I want to be ninja. I want to chop, 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 chop down, chop down to Chinatown. I want to be ninja.
And the third one is literally just a screen recording of Melon's sandbox of them apparently throwing me into an acid pool. Here it is, I guess. Also, the video they had deleted was just a picture of my account, them apparently rating it a 1 out of 10 and calling me a bitch. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.